Hey, this is Beauty.
This is Beast. What's going on, everybody?
We got a new challenge here.
The Milk and Pepsi Challenge.
We were called out by the Milk Crazies, and I know you guys have been waiting to see this video drop. So here it goes. We're about to get ready to get started. So without further ado, let me go ahead and throw out to the people who we want to do this challenge. We don't know what this is going to be like after we done it. What you think, babe?
I don't know. I never had nothing like this.
Oh
so
my God.
It ain't no time limit. We don't know how much milk and Pepsi, the ratio to each one. So we just gonna.
We winging it.
Yeah.
We winging it. So
Further notice, let's call out the people. The first person I'm gonna call out is Big Belly Bob, another brother from another daddy.
The next person I'm gonna call out is Foodie Squad.
All right, next one I'm gonna call out is Mike 2.0.
The next person I'm gonna call out is April WYD.
And the last person we're gonna call out is
Courtney, the Yarn Ladies Closet, you guys. So we decided to call everybody out now because we want to make sure we don't know what this is about to get ready to taste
I might gotta
like.
run to the bathroom after all this.
Probably so.
You know, so
I hope not.
This is something new.
Yes,
I don't
it
know.
is.
To me, I think this is some pregnancy stuff, but ain't nothing pregnant over here. So let's figure out.
I don't understand. I'm scared.
All right.
All right, so I'm pouring enough soda up in here. Let me start with this. You want me to pour yours?
I'm gonna go with the milk first.
I'm gonna pour your soda in there.
Nah. See, I was gonna try to do a ratio milk.
What you gonna do, half and half?
Nah. Okay. I think that should be the same.
It looks like coffee.
Yeah.
It looks just like coffee.
All right, let's see.
Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my gosh. Do I need a spoon to stir it?
It looks like Kahlua and milk. Let's see.
I can see it that way.
Smell like Pepsi.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. It ain't that bad.
He over here. Why do it taste like a float? Like a
Yeah.
like the
Like a Pepsi float.
yeah, like the milk is made up as ice cream.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
You know what, my crazies? I was scared. I ain't gonna lie. But it's not that bad.
This is a cheapo dessert. You can lie to the kids.
It's not that bad.
But you got to do the ratio right. Soda to milk.
What I'm gonna tell y'all is this: pour your soda out first, and then kind of like estimate the milk part, because I think that kind of gives it a little bit of balance.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna finish it.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That wasn't bad at all.
No, it wasn't.
All right, you guys. So all the people we called out don't get scared like we was, because we took a chance. We was bold enough. We did it. So you guys, please do it too. It's really not that bad.
Nah, it's not.
I was really scared, to be honest with you.
It was like a Pepsi float without the ice cream. After it melted.
Literally, that's exactly what it tastes like, y'all.
Yeah.
So you guys go ahead and do it. Challenge completed. We succeeded. So like I always say at the end of our videos, if you're new to our channel, hit that subscribe button. Turn that red button gray. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified every time we drop a new video or when we go live. And don't forget, share us out, because why? Sharing is caring. Until next time, you guys. Bye.
See you on the next journey.